Virgo, the song that's playing for you is Yes Indeed.
Yellow Ferrari like Pikachu. I got a way in there watching what he gonna do. $100 for a new pair of t-shirts. Same price I can make a new come finish you. Real dog boy, $100 Vigo.
Oh, there you go. Look, Virgo, boom, you in a state of healing regarding something. Alright? Look, it may be regarding a bad family emotional investment that you thought would turn out. Whether this is with people, places, and things, it's like you gave all your emotions to something. Now you realize this ain't working, so I gotta be defensive regarding this. Okay? It's regarding an emotional investment. This may be regarding family, you feel me? But now that it's like you're working something out. You're healing, and because you are healing, you are putting yourself in a state. Look, behind that was the 10 of coins. Hey, good on you, because y'all was going through some shit last time. It's like the truth. You accepted the truth. You defending the truth regarding something. You know your truth regarding how you feel about this situation you thought made you happy once upon a time. You thought this family situation or this relationship or this job or this idea, these habits that you invested in, you it's like you started a business, right? And then you added those type of products to the business. So let's say this is, I don't know what the fuck you would do for a business, but you feel me? You got it, but now you healing. You're in a state of healing. What's wrong with this? Smartphone. See, you may have gotten a little wiser regarding something. Now you know how to heal a situation, and because you are healing, it's like because you put in it, because you are healing you, because you are taking a bath, you're able to heal the ground. It's like wherever you step, you can bring life to now. As far as your emotions or just in general, you can come up with ideas. It's because you're healing yourself, or because you are watering your own flower and you are being wiser, you can spread more knowledge, you feel me? But in order to do that, you have to heal yourself. Now you may have exchanged emotions with an idea. Look, foundation celebration. Hey, yo, listen, good on you. All right, something made you emotional. Whether this is a person, place, or thing, it's like you met this person and this person put you in a state to heal. Foundation, celebration type shit. Or if it's an idea, you got an idea and your masculine and feminine both agreed with that idea. What song is this? Yeah, smartphone. And then that idea took you to a higher realm in your reality. You feel me? This business was the business you need. And as soon as you started, it sprouted like that. Now you're in a state of healing. You feel me? You used to be burdened regarding something. So if you got an idea, you got an idea. If you met a person, you met a person. Overall, okay. That's switched. And are you living a lie? Is the question that came to mind when I saw that card. Are you living a lie, Virgo? Because the Ace of Swords in reverse is lies. It's not being true. False communication regarding something. What flipped out? Hold on, that's too many. I'm tempted to get one more. Or it's like you put all of this is happening because you put an end to some lies. I want to say that, but I don't think that's it. Let me get one more for Virgo. I don't do 4, but that just flipped. What's that? Yeah, Empress in reverse. What you got going on, Virgo? Because the story took a turn. Because I was clarifying this and I got the Empress in reverse. Something ain't right here. Yeah. Immature, it's like whether you took a childish offer or someone is bringing you a childish offer. And that offer may be this, you feel me? And you may think it's going to heal you or you think it's healing you. but it's not. That took a turn. That took a turn. It's like someone's bringing you a cup of poison. Or someone brought you a cup of poison. Look. Yeah. I don't know, Virgo. And now you may be in a space where you're trying to think of how to get out of a situation. And you don't know how. It's like you want to heal something. You may want to heal something, right? You may want to try to make something better almost. But you don't know how. And that's because you accepted something immature that fucked you up. All because of an immature action, whether that was an idea or a person, place, or thing. Now you're trying to come up with a way out, almost. Yeah, look, you're trying to come up with a way out. It's like you're trying to get yourself out of a bind. You want to heal something. You may want to bring your emotions somewhere to try to mend a situation. Or you know a situation is healing. Hey, yo. What song is it? I was waiting for the song, yo. Meeting. See, I'm telling you, you may want to have a meeting to try to heal something. I don't know. Look. What you think? Yeah, I don't know what you got going on, Virgo. Look like somebody lied to you. And you, whatever this lie was, you nurtured it. You accepted a childish offer. Somebody, whether it was childish emotions from a person, place, or thing outside of you, you had an idea and it was petty or childish and you enacted on it. Or this is like a job, whatever it is for you. You feel me? It was some regarding your emotions. And you decided to take that and display it as an aspect of you. You feel me? And what was brought to you was lies that would fuck up your balance. You feel me? The sword cut through the balance, putting you in a state of empress in reverse as far as how you receive and process and externalize, or just how you care. You feel me? Now you in a space where you want to try to mend or heal something. So you want to have what? A meeting. That one took a while. Look, I'm telling you. But I don't know, because you coming like a page of cups. So you might look regarding some conflict. And I don't know, Virgo, because if you coming like this, you might as well stay where you at. If you trying to get here, you may be dealing with an Aquarius, because that's one right there. But yeah, if you coming like that, page of cups. You may look, it's like you coming with a cup like, yeah, I want to heal things, but undertone, you really coming with some heavy bullshit. I don't know if we gonna rock like that one, Virgo. But hey, this could be you or someone you dealing with. Your story, I'ma fuck with you though.